What is meant by bug bounty? Reward offered to a person who identifies an error or vulnerability in a computer program or system. The company boosts security by offering a bug bounty. History of bug bounty. Hunter and Reddy initiated the first known bug bounty program in 1983 for their versatile real-time executive operating system. Anyone who found and reported a bug would receive a Volkswagen Beetle in return. A little over a decade later in 1995, Jarrett Ridlinghafer, a technical support engineer at Netscape Communications Corporation, coined the phrase bug bounty. Best bug bounty platforms. Number 1 Bugcrowd. Number 2 HACKERONE. Number 3 Integrity. Best bug bounty tools. Number 1 Burp Suite. Burp Suite is an integrated platform and graphical tool for performing security testing of web applications. It supports the entire testing process from initial mapping and analysis of an application's attack surface, through to finding and exploiting security vulnerabilities. Number 2 Shodan. Shodan is a special search engine that collects data about the device connected to the internet. It is a beneficial tool for bug bounty hunters, penetration testers, hackers, and many security-related actors. We can use the CLI version of Shodan through the means of an automated tool named Schneedancer. Schneedancer is a tool that makes the use of Shodan easier by just entering the options and getting the results quicker. Number 3 SQL Map. SQL Map is an open-source tool used in penetration testing to detect and exploit SQL injection flaws. SQL automates the process of detecting and exploiting SQL injection. SQL injection attacks can take control of databases that utilize SQL. Number 4 NMAP. NMAP is an open-source tool for network exploration and security auditing. It was designed to rapidly scan large networks, although it works fine against single hosts. Number 5 WIRESHARK. WIRESHARK is an open-source packet analyzer which is used for education, analysis, software development, communication protocol development, and network troubleshooting. If you want ethical hacking and bug bounty courses for free, just like, share and subscribe to Hacker Kid YouTube channel. And follow on Insta for more updates. Insta link on description. Thank you.